Characteristics of monsoonal rainfall. 1. Rainfall received from June to September from the southwest monsoon is seasonal in nature. 2. Monsoonal rainfall depends on the topography or relief of an area. 3. As the distance from the sea increases, the monsoonal rain also declines. 4. The rainless intervals called breaks in monsoonal rains are caused by cyclonic depressions originating from the Bay of Bengal. The frequency, intensity, and passage followed by cyclonic depressions determine the distribution of rainfall. 5. The heavy summer rainfall leads to considerable runoff and soil erosion. 6. Since 3/4 of the total rain is received from southwest monsoons, it is important to the agrarian economy of India. 7. The uneven spatial distribution ranges from 12 centimeters to more than 250 centimeters. 8. The onset of rains is sometimes delayed in the whole or part of the country. 9. The early end of the rains sometimes causes damage to the standing crops and impedes sowing of winter crops. Season of retreating monsoon. The monsoons retreat in the months of October and November. By the end of September, the low-pressure trough of the Ganga weakens due to the sun's southward movement. The monsoon retreats from north, west, and central highlands by the end of September. High temperature and humidity, still present in the air, create an oppressive condition called October heat. By mid-December, the monsoon completely retreats from the peninsula. October and November are the rainiest months of the year in Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh. The low-pressure conditions over northwestern India move to the Bay of Bengal by early November. This shift causes cyclonic depressions over Andaman Sea. These cyclones usually cross over the eastern coast of India and cause torrential rains.